Hello everyone. Today is Saturday, July 27th, 2024, and welcome to my channel. Penny stocks are known for their volatility. They are usually low volume, cheap, and financially and fundamentally unstable, which makes them more volatile than large-cap stocks. However, for savvy investors, high-risk, low-price stocks can provide a way to get a substantial return with a relatively small initial investment. Next, I will share 5 penny stocks that may explode next week. These stocks are currently priced at a relatively low level. When the conditions for triggering a surge in stock prices are ripe, the market may strongly push the stock price up and bring rich returns to investors who buy at low levels. However, these stocks are also full of risks, so you need to invest cautiously, control a reasonable position, and bear the trading risks yourself. 1. Ginkgo Bioworks. The ticker symbol is DNA. On June 27th, the stock created a recent low of 26 cents. The next day, the stock price rebounded strongly and generated a large trading volume, indicating that the market did not want the stock price to fall further, and that large capital had entered the market, and the stock price continued to rebound. When the stock price reached 38 cents, it began to fall, but the trading volume generated at this position was not large. On July 16th, the market challenged the 38 cents position again but failed. The stock price fell to the 26 cents area again, and then the stock price started to rebound again and challenged the 38 cents position again. The third challenge of the stock price to the key resistance position seems to be different from the previous 2 times. The stock's trading volume on Thursday was significantly enlarged, indicating that large capital had entered the market during the rise of the stock price. In addition, the stock has bottomed out 3 times and accumulated a large number of long positions, so once it breaks through 38 cents, the stock price may usher in a sharp rise. For the target price, I currently see 52 cents, which corresponds to a position that accumulated a lot of trading volume in early June, and it may provide a lot of resistance to the stock. 2. Mustang Bio. The ticker symbol is MBIO. On Tuesday, the stock's intraday trading was abnormal, and the stock price rose strongly to 47 cents before retreating. This roller coaster-like market generated some significant growth in trading volume that day, with the highest intraday increase of 44%, but the stock price fell 6% at the close. However, in the following 3 trading days, the stock price rebounded, indicating that big capital entered the market strongly on Tuesday to take over the chips and push the stock price to rebound again, which is a positive signal. 27 cents is the lowest position after the stock price correction on Tuesday, and the corresponding position is the starting point of the stock price surge on June 17th, so it provides a strong support for the stock. But 47 cents is also the current key resistance position of the stock. From the end of June to the beginning of July, the stock price was sideways at this position and accumulated a lot of trading volume, so it provided a strong resistance to the stock. Regarding the stock's future trend and target price, my conclusion is bullish. The current trend of the stock seems to be ready to challenge the key resistance of 47 cents. Once it breaks through successfully, the next position may reach 73 cents. 3. BlackBerry. The ticker symbol is BB. On June 21st, the stock's trading volume increased significantly, but the stock price fluctuated slightly on that day. However, this was the day with the largest single-day trading volume after the stock price plummeted in June. The stock price then squatted and rebounded strongly, indicating that big capital entered the market that day, which is a positive bullish signal. $2.20 is the lowest position of the stock in the past 2 months, but the rebound after the squat makes it no longer the current key support position. In July, the stock price dropped to $2.37 several times but did not fall below it, so this price is the current key support position of the stock, and $2.61 is the resistance position that the stock is about to challenge. We can see that the stock price fell by 2.8% on Wednesday, and the trading volume of that day was significantly enlarged. The stock price began to rebound the next day, indicating that big capital entered the market on that day and was ready to challenge the key resistance position. As for the stock's next trend and target price, I think the stock may succeed in the challenge because the market has been preparing for nearly a month and has accumulated a large number of long positions. Once it successfully breaks through $2.61, it may reach $2.86. The corresponding position of this price has been very stable for a period of time in early June and has accumulated a large amount of trading volume. It may be a key resistance position. For INUV, the ticker symbol is INUV. The highest position of this round of surge in the stock is 36 cents. On July 18th, the stock price rushed to this position and then began to pull back. On July 23rd, the stock price fell by 10% but found a support position. The stock price began to rebound at 26 cents. The corresponding position of this price was a very stable period of time from the end of June to the beginning of July and accumulated a large amount of trading volume, so it gave the stock a strong support. Technically, the stock is currently in an upward trend. As for the stock's future trend and target price, I am currently bullish on the stock. The stock price's trading volume increased significantly on Tuesday, indicating that big capital has entered the market and pushed the stock price to rebound. So I think the stock may challenge the 36 cents position again next. 5. ZURA Bio. The ticker symbol is ZURA. At the end of June, the stock fell to $3.13 and then began to rebound. Its trading volume also began to increase significantly at this position. Subsequently, the market pushed the stock price to a higher level, and $3.36 became the current key support position of the stock. In July, the stock price fell to this position many times but did not fall below it. When the stock price was at a low level, its trading volume increased significantly, which was a move by big capital to absorb chips at a low level. The stock's trading volume increased significantly again on Wednesday, and the stock price fell slightly by 3.6% on that day. The stock price rebounded again the next day, indicating that big capital has flowed into the market again at this position, and it may be preparing for a rise in the stock price. Technically, the stock is currently in an upward trend and is only one step away from the key resistance level of $4. As for the stock's future trend and target price, I think it is not a problem for the stock price to break through $4. Once the stock price stands at $4, it is likely to move to a higher level. In fact, the resistance below $5 is not great, but to be conservative, I think it may reach $4.65. Okay guys, these are all my video content. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.